There's no more running.
Ghana.
Storm is coming.
Royalty.
Can't believe the rain is pouring on me once again. There's no reason to pretend, no more running. The storm is coming. Can't believe the rain is pouring on me once again. There's no reason to pretend, no more running. The storm is coming.
Yeah, so here comes the rain and every time you try to lie. So here comes the pain cause I see that bullshit within your eyes. And wondering why, act like it don't hurt or something. Deeper and deeper this night be cutting. And why we frontin', and the only time the storm don't be coming is when we under the sheets and we fucking. And then you go right back trying to pull me like a puppet. But in reality, living in your own fantasy like a muppet. But fuck it, cause the storm is still coming.
It brings the pain. Every time it rains, it brings the pain. Every time it rains.
Here I is, here I goes, bitch. Motherfucker, what you thought and what you thought pain is. Bitch, you the reason why pain here. You the reason why when it rain, the rain stays near. Well, fuck a nigga, I'ma grind all day. Cause keeping this shit 100, how I'm living, nigga, DNA. Forever on my pivot, too fucking legit. So being in any other way just ain't how I'm living.
Every time it rains, it brings the pain. Every time it rains, it brings the pain. Every time it rains, every time it rains, it brings the pain. Every time it rains, it brings the pain. Every time it rains.
Can't believe the rain is pouring on me once again. There's no reason to pretend, no more running. The storm is coming. Can't believe the rain is pouring on me once again. There's no reason to pretend, no more running.
The storm is coming.
Can't believe the rain is pouring on me once again. There's no reason to pretend, no
more running. The storm is coming. Can't believe the rain is pouring on me once again. There's no reason to pretend, no more running. The storm is coming. There's no more running. There's no pretending. When the rain came bringing, here comes the storm.
Motherfucker.